you. Look in your house, too. Do you see red or yellow? Do you see green or blue? What color is your chair? What color is your door? Look around for colors, and then look some more. Hey, let's sing. I hear the doorbell ring. I open up the door. Yay, it's a friend of mine here to play some more. Hooray! Look outside. What do you see? I see a house, a ball, and a bumblebee. Let's sing a song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Ready? I'm gonna tell you a story about some friends I know and all the fun we had one day until it was time to go. Oh no! We played inside, we played outside, we played the whole day long. We learned new things and we took turns. We laughed and sang a song. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Hear a monkey on the chair. Ooh, 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 ee. Listen, someone's at the door. I hear a ding-dong. It's fun to hear such different sounds all day long. Yippee!